weak drill. Weak. I wish I didn't lose my other one. Weak. Weak.
Dual-sided German stainless steel blade. Shape up or down at 200 microstrokes per second.
You got to go solo.
Or go online at microtouchsolo.com and get yours now for only $19.99.
$19.99.
Stainless steel blade, pivoting head, built-in spotlight, and custom clothing guides. Everything you see.
One.
Expect a PTA mom to be a thief.
So it looks like I got a pretty good measurements on the holes. You know, it's lining up with the original hole on the other side. Hey everybody, so I attached my table. I had to drill some holes on the other side and flip this lever to just turn it around so it opens up backwards, and then it rests. The weight of the refrigerator is holding the stand, and then I'm able to fold this out. And then what I do, all I have to do is hit this red lever right here and it folds down. And there's my table. It just folds off to the side, and so I have like a little kitchen to clean pots and pans or dishes or do whatever. And of course there's my water right there, 5 gallons of water. I just flip this up so it, you know, in case there's a little bit of water so it doesn't drip, and then I just fold it down when I need to top it off. So yep. So I finished setting up my table, and so all I have to do is just flip it up like this, hit the latch on the bottom, and I have my table right there on the side of my van, and it just folds down. So there it is. I finished it. That's what I did today anyway. Now let's see if it's going to open up. Perfect. No jam. Alright, works great.